stinging attack on the opposition alliance, INDIA, accusing them of crossing all limits. BJP has alleged that Prime Minister's mother was insulted by opposition leaders. They also claim that RJD workers abused the Prime Minister's mother, calling insult and abuse the very hallmark of opposition politics. Well, in fact, it is another day when we have the same old abuses. Unfortunately, even the late mother of the Prime Minister is not being spared in this rant. Some of these rants are so rancid in nature, so very derogatory, that it's difficult for us to even play them out. But let's tell you what the BJP has said. In fact, we have a reaction which is now coming in from BJP's national spokesperson, Shehzad Poonawalla. We're going to get you that reaction very shortly. In fact, I have it on the big screen here. Well, there you have it. Shehzad Poonawalla has said, and I'm going to show you the post. He says, once again, Prime Minister Modi's mother has been abused. This is the fourth such instance. And he lists out all the instances. First, he talks about the Congress rally which happened in Darbhanga. This, remember, was the one where Rahul Tejashwi themselves were part of. At the time, however, they had left, but it was on the stage from Congress's rally in Darbhanga where derogatory remarks which were made against the Prime Minister's mother. Shehzad Poonawalla also says that Congress's official handle also tweeted out a deep fake video. This was in reference to the Kerala Congress tweet where they had put out a video of Prime Minister Modi allegedly being admonished by his own mother. Well, that was the deep fake that the BJP is alluding to. Now they're talking about the abuse by RJD leaders with Tejashwi on the stage and also the RJD workers in front of a mic and camera with RJD flags on their bikes which were waving. Also, is it a Sanyog? He asked, no. Maa ka apman, India Alliance ki pehchan. This has become the hallmark of India Alliance, is what Shehzad Poonawalla is saying. In fact, let's get you some of the other reactions also coming in.
एसपी साहब को एक ज्ञापन देने आए हैं कि राष्ट्रीय जनता दल आरजेडी का जो बिहार अधिकार यात्रा जो अभी निकल रहा है उसी के निमित्त दौरान सररंजन में उनके द्वारा तेजस्वी यादव के मौजूदगी में आरजेडी के कार्यकर्ता के द्वारा देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के माता जी को जो अपशब्द और गाली दिया गया है उसी के लिए लेकर हम लोग आज युवा मोर्चा के कार्यकर्ताओं के द्वारा एक ज्ञापन दिए हैं एसपी सर को। उस पर कार्रवाई करने के लिए सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई हो और उसको पकड़कर जेल भेजा जाए, नहीं तो हम लोग उग्र आंदोलन करेंगे।
Well, let me go across to Niyamika, who's joining us with more details on this. Well, Niyamika, again and again we see the same rhetoric revolving around the Prime Minister's mother being raked up in coal-bound Bihar. Is this something which is going to help the opposition of INDI, or is it likely to backfire given what's happening on the ground? People think that they are needlessly dragging in the Prime Minister's late mother into a political discourse.
Well, yes, indeed, there is going to be an impact of this entire, issue which is being taken up by the BJP as the manner in which repeatedly such kind of abusive remarks are being made by various people during the rallies of the RJD as well as Congress party. That has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise questions about the mindset, about the ideology of the Mahagathbandhan parties, as we have seen that not just during the Voter Adhikar Yatra, but recently also during a rally which was being addressed by Tejashwi Yadav. At that point in time also we have got to see a video where a person was using abusive words against the late mother of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But now the BJP is also taking it forward. But on the other side, if we talk about the reactions which is coming in on the side of the Mahagathbandhan parties, whether it is RJD or the Congress, they are basically blaming the BJP only. They are saying that they are saying all these things only to get sympathy from the people of Bihar, as these are the fake videos. The RJD is also saying that the recent video of Tejashwi Yadav, which is getting viral on social media, that is an AI generated video because it is not true at all. They are also stating that such kind of words shouldn't be used against any women, as not specifically for the mothers. They should be respected, and that is the only reason why they are also demanding that there should be a proper investigation which must be taking place regarding this entire issue, that who is behind this and why repeatedly such kind of incidents are getting reported from various places. And for that reason they are also blaming the BJP, saying that these are basically the tactics which the BJP is opting for to get sympathy just ahead of the assembly elections, but that is not going to make any kind of impact. That is the hope which the Mahagathbandhan parties are having regarding this entire issue. But clearly the BJP is repeatedly attacking the Congress party as well as the RJD. Even the Prime Minister had also spoken over this entire issue. And now the manner in which this complaint has been given by the delegation of the Bihar BJP workers, that seems like it is going to mount the trouble for the Mahagathbandhan parties only.
You're absolutely right. The Prime Minister himself has spoken about it. We'll have to wait and see. It is eventually going to be the Janta on the ground who are going to give their final verdict if this is acceptable. Niyamika, do stay on with us. We have a reaction also coming in from Bihar's Deputy Chief Minister, Vijay Sinha. This is what he has to say.
ये गालीबाज लोग अपने संस्कार को छोड़ चुके हैं। ऐसे संस्कारहीन लोगों के बारे में चर्चा करना, ये आसुरी प्रवृत्ति की मानसिकता के लोग इस तरह के संस्कार को संरक्षित करते हैं और इसका घोर निंदनीय कार्य है। बिहारी को बदनाम करने का, बिहार को कहीं न कहीं लज्जित करने का ये खेल खेला जा रहा है और इस तरह के लोग बिहारी का कभी आइकॉन नहीं बन सकते। उस पर एक्शन ले, कार्रवाई करे, पकड़े, उसको बाहर निकाले, उजागर करे। हमारी सभा में कोई राबड़ी देवी को गाली दे, ये कैसे हम स्वीकार कर लेंगे? किसी महिला को गाली दे, किसी के माता पिता को, ये मेरा ना संस्कार है, ना स्वभाव है। इस तरह के लोगों को मैं संरक्षित नहीं करता।
Well, in fact, in the dock, Congress has now hit out at BJP, calling it a bid to deflect from the real issues. In fact, listen in to some of these reactions.
मैं समझता हूं कि उनके पास कुछ मुद्दे बचे नहीं हैं और वो मुंह छिपाते फिर रहे हैं, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी ने साक्ष्यों के साथ इन तथ्यों को रखा है। कोई वो शब्द ऐसे ढूंढ रहे हैं, माँ हमेशा किसी की भी माँ हो ममतामयी होती है, आदरणीय होती है। और जो मोदी जी लगातार क्या उनके माँ का अपमान केवल बिहार में ही हुआ क्या? जो अपने माँ के, या मैं समझता तो उनके भाई की अपुक्ति सुन सकते, वो भी एक वायरल हुआ है। जो अगर जिस संस्कार की बात करें, माँ की मृत्यु के बाद उन्होंने मुंडन तक नहीं कराया है और ये सब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। तो ये कहने की बातें नहीं है, व्यक्तिगत चीजें हैं, लेकिन महत्वपूर्ण चीज ये है कि आज भी मां शब्द के साथ है, हम हमेशा, हमारे लिए वो आदरणीय है।
And interestingly, we also have a reaction coming in from the independent MP, Pappu Yadav. Yes, he is the same man who was pushed off, not allowed to share a dais with Rahul Gandhi and Tejashwi ahead of the mega campaigning and the yatra that we saw by the boys. Now, when we put the question to him, it's very interesting what he has said. He's condemned the act, of course, saying everyone's mother is the same and abusing anyone's mother is wrong. He, however, does put it on the BJP, saying BJP is getting its people to abuse the Prime Minister in Tejashwi's rally. That it doesn't mean that it is Tejashwi supporters, it is BJP cadres who are doing it themselves. Watch this.
अच्छा एक बात बताइए, आपको कोई मतलब नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री जी जो जिसने गाली दिया वो गलत है, उसको जेल में ठूसिए। ऐसे लोगों का कोई जगह सोसाइटी में नहीं है। लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री जब डीएनए को गाली देता है तो आपको, आप बिहारी नहीं है कि आपको शर्म नहीं होता? प्रधानमंत्री नीतीश कुमार को गाली देता है मध्य प्रदेश में, किसकी माँ बेटी का ये दुश्मन है, तब आपको शर्म नहीं होता? बिहारी को मारता है गुजराती में, शर्म नहीं होता? जब 42 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड करता है, शर्म नहीं होता? जब राहुल गांधी को कहता है बाप कौन है तुम्हारा, ये तेजस्वी जी के मीटिंग में जो गाली दे रहा है वो बीजेपी वाले हैं। वो बीजेपी वाले से प्रोडक्ट करवाता है सिर्फ सेंटीमेंट लेने के लिए। ये बीजेपी का धंधा है, कांग्रेस का ये संस्कार नहीं है। जो कांग्रेस में इस तरह की बात करेगा उसको कांग्रेस से इमीडिएट निकाल दिया जाएगा। अरे भैया, तेजस्वी का आदमी होगा तब ना, कोई भी गाली दिया मैं ही माफी मांगता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ गलत है।
Well, there you have it. You have independent MP Pappu Yadav saying this is not Congress's sanskar, this is BJP's dhanda.